Hello guys, so I just want to show you where I am with the Bitcoin now. So let's see this. So as you can see guys, actually it's gonna be just a kind of quick update. So around like 5 minutes I just closed my position, so now I cannot show you here, but I will show you my close position just in a second. I was close my position just now around here because you know how you see is some crazy movements always happening on the Bitcoin, so we cannot say it's like I think the regular currency pairs where you can trade with. So it's sometimes some crazy movements happening, which you can also be fine. So for example, if I close it here before, but I wasn't really active in front of my computer, but you can also catch this moment properly. So if I close it here, I will be on a $1,000 profit, but I wasn't really here, so I missed this. So then it's fall back here, and you see up and down, so some crazy movements. So now I decided to close it here. Um, uh, I will show you now my close position, and also some of you was asking for me about the link where you can register. So the link I always put below the description, and actually it's also important to trade with a safe and regulated broker. So this broker where I'm trade with is a FC regulated broker. So it's really important to trade with a safe trader because there's a lot of scam company around this business. So you have to be very careful about this. So let's see, and also as you can see, my free margin, so is mean actually right now my balance and what I can use uh, now to trade with is $3,117, which is I think quite good, and is just like happened in a few days. And if I go to my account history here, you will see these all Bitcoins. You see some small things here, or maybe even minus. Is mean, of course, is not a fake. I'm doing mistakes as well. But as you can see, here is a nice profit. Um, I open my position on the 6th, 7 a.m. and I close on 6 as well, 11 a.m. So it was like quite short, and you made more than $100. But let's see this position. So this one I opened on 6 as well, 11:20, and I close it today. How I said is just like happened around 5 minutes ago. So in like one day, I made $1,000 almost. So of course it depends about how much money also you invest here. So if you can afford a bit more money to invest, of course you can earn more because how you see the size is 0.05 here. You're trading with leverage. So of course, you can make even more money than me, but you can also make less money as well. But let's see this chart here for a bit. Um, Now I close my positions, so now is not too much action happening right now. Um, I will wait because how I said I'm trying to trade safe with Bitcoin, and actually it's not really easy. I think I don't know. Maybe for you or someone it's easy. I don't know. I'm how I said I'm still just a beginner in this field, but I'm trying to help everyone and and explain it how I am doing. How I am trading. So as you can see, how I mentioned before, you can catch this moment, and this moment can be yours, can be positive for you. So if you see here, because now I am on a 1 minute chart. Usually is enough if you go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart view. But if you want to close the position or if you want to open a position, sometimes it's good to see in a 1 minute chart, because you will see immediately if something happening on the market, so you can react really quickly. So if you see this here, it start to fall, this movement you will see this gonna be, looks like a big. So um, you can straight away do something, like close the position or something. And if you what you can maybe um, think about, so this gonna fall after, you see, it will fall down here. So then if you open your position, this is gonna happen, because at this moment you will think this. You will see this is fall back here, and here, you see, start to go up again. So what you're gonna do? Open here again, because okay, now it looks like it start to go back to normal, start to be an uptrend again. So you will open a buying position again. It will go up, and then it will go down, up, down, up, and then here fall again a lot till to here. And what when it's going down here again, you will be, because you open around here, you will be in minus. So um, you can be in panic or something, but you don't have to be. You just have to follow your position. Maybe you have to open a position the size which you can afford, at least 1 or maybe 2,000 in Bitcoin price to fall, because how you see sometimes is go up and go down like quite crazy. So you have to open a position where you can cover some minus as well if it's go against you, So you have to cover this, because you don't want to lose your money, because the system will close the position if your margin level go below, I think, around 20 or 25%. Then the system gonna close the position, which is eating more of your margin, So in this case, it can be bad for you. But if you after it's just go back again, you see, normalize and uptrend again here, and go up again here, and now is quite normal. So before I was closed it here again. So then what we can do now, I still didn't open a position even if it was here, because I'm quite sure it will happen again, a bigger fall. So no just like this, like what we can see here, like a bigger, like this or this, something like this. So when it will fall back around here or here or here, then I think I will open again, and it will go back up. So because the spread is quite big here as well, I can almost immediately cover the spread, and I can be in positive straight away, So yeah, and what you can do, you can do short trades with Bitcoin. So you catch the moment here, close it, and when it's fall back to here, open, and when it went up here, you can close again, but of course it's going to be a small profit. It depends on you, but it can be around 50 or $100, which is still good. And when it fall back, you can I mean, if you see it start to fall back, you close your position again, wait a bit, even if it's not here, you wait this moment or another good moment, and when it's fall back again a lot, then you open your position, and when it's go back around here, you can close it or just still wait. So it depends on you, but sometimes you feel it's quite maybe you will feel it's open a bigger position, or wait more long, or close your position just quickly now. But you never know it's gonna be the best decision what you make, or no. You just find this out later on, because we didn't know the future. We don't know the future. We don't know what's gonna happen. But at least you can try to safe trade. And the other way, where maybe you earn a bit slowly, but much more safely, is, for example, when it's fall back a lot, for example, like here, and it's go up again here, you didn't close your position here, you wait. You wait for 1 or 2 days, and hopefully, because it looks like there is still positive movements on the Bitcoin, so after maybe it will go, for example, $15,000 or something. So even after it's gonna be this crazy downtrend, you can cover it easily. So maybe if it's go to 15,000, you have like five, six, $700 profit. And if it's fall back here, fall back this big, maybe you lost straight away like $200 on your profit or three, but at least you are not in minus, which is really good. So you can cover this easily. And then um, maybe we can say for quite sure it will go up again and slowly go just up and to back to 15,000 and even more, you know. Maybe it will take 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, but you trade more safely, so you can decide how you want to trade, how much money you can afford. um, but what I can recommend is always actually a risk, of course. But if you're doing great, you can be on a nice profit. So that's it for now, guys. Hopefully, I will come back maybe very soon. How it's going in the future as well. So yeah, if you like my video, you can drop me a like. I really appreciate it, and also you can subscribe to my channel. So you can follow me what's happening with me on the market and with the Bitcoin. And yeah, so that's it for now, guys. And I think see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.